Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the surface thoroughly so the adhesive bonds. Use isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Once done, measure and mark the exact placement with masking tape and a small level to ensure alignment. You choose wet apply for repositioning or dry for precise immediate stick. Make sure to peel backing gradually. Hold the sticker by edges and position the top edge first so you control contact and avoid early bubbles. You position the top edge, hold it in place, and begin peeling the backing slowly while keeping the sticker slightly off the surface. That lets you align without adhesive engagement. Next, use a soft squeegee and push from the center outward at 45-degree angles to expel air and moisture. This avoids trapped bubbles and wrinkles. If the sticker has a clear carrier, trim excess with a sharp blade. For complex curves, apply heat gently before conforming. You finish by using low heat to relax the film around curves and then smooth it into place. Apply minimal stretch to prevent distortion. Once applied, inspect for bubbles. If small ones remain, pierce with a fine needle, press out air, and reseal with the squeegee. This preserves adhesion. Make sure to let the adhesive cure for 24 to 72 hours and avoid washing or extreme temperature shifts during that window to prevent lifting or edge failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.